please welcome Secretary Treasurer for QP Ontario, Fred Hahn. Hey? Was figure of four rocket or what? I'm really proud to be here from our union, the Canadian Union of Public Employees, and I want all the QP members here tonight to give a shout out. Where are y'all? We're proud to have members here in Thorold, in Welland, in Fort Erie, in St. Catharines, in Niagara Falls. We got members all across the region. And you know, from the time your kids are born in the hospital, it's QP members who are there keeping the place clean and providing personal care. When they go to daycare, it's a QP member likely who's looking after them. And when they start school, we're the secretaries and the education assistants and the custodians in the schools all across this region. And we work in the hospitals, and when you get old and you go into long-term care, QP members are there too. In fact, we've got QP members delivering social services, child welfare, all of the services in this region, and let me tell you who owns them. You do. All of you own those services. You own them, they're yours, you bought and paid for them with your tax dollars. And when politicians try to sell them off, they're trying to sell something you own. And that just is that the public services that you rely on are yours and they belong to you and they should stay in public hands. Can we get a cheer for public services? Now, Sean was talking about privatization. It is not always the right thing to do. It is almost never the right thing to do. It always costs more because private companies need to make money. They're for profit. They gotta make money. But public services are yours and they don't need to make money, they just need to deliver good services. Same thing's true with contracting out, you know. They tell us that they'll contract out jobs and they'll save money. For you, the taxpayer. Let's be honest about what happens when they contract out work. They hire people for 10 bucks an hour with no benefits and no pension. And that affects your community because there's no money. No money to raise your children well, no money to buy a house. Good public sector jobs are good for the community and good for the local economy. We need to keep them here in Thorold and all across the region. So have a great time tonight. I'm really proud of our union for doing this kind of stuff. We're doing it across the province. We want you to have a really good time. We want you to fill out those cards that you've been seeing. And when politicians in this region, not the ones who are here tonight supporting us, but when other politicians think they're going to sell off your services, we want you to make sure that you rock their world like we're rocking tonight. Thank you very much.